In this video, we'll explore what an NPU is and why it matters for your PC's AI-powered features. So, what exactly is an NPU? An NPU, or Neural Processing Unit, is a specialized processor designed to handle AI features such as voice recognition, image processing, and smart suggestions. Think of it as a built-in AI assistant inside your PC, a dedicated brain that focuses on running AI tasks quickly and efficiently. Let's quickly compare how different parts of your PC work. Your CPU, or Central Processing Unit, handles a little bit of everything, like opening apps, running programs, and managing your system. It's versatile, but it's not optimized for AI workloads. Your GPU, or Graphics Processing Unit, is great for visuals and creative work like photo editing, video, and design. It also accelerates many AI tasks thanks to its ability to process data in parallel. An NPU, on the other hand, is designed specifically for AI tasks such as recognizing faces, understanding speech, and analyzing large amounts of information. Because it focuses solely on AI, it can deliver high performance, measured in TOPS, while using much less power than a CPU. That helps your PC stay fast, responsive, and efficient, even when AI features are running in the background. In a Lenovo AI PC, the CPU, GPU, and NPU work together, with each handling what it does best to give you a smooth, optimized experience. Now let's talk about performance. And this is where TOPS comes in. TOPS stands for trillions of operations per second. It's a way to measure how much AI work an NPU can handle at once. Simply put, the higher the TOPS, the more AI tasks your PC can process in real time without slowing down everything else. Keep in mind, real-world performance also depends on how well software takes advantage of the NPU's capabilities. So what does this actually mean for you? First, AI features respond instantly, whether you're dictating text, enhancing photos, or getting smart suggestions while you work. Higher TOPS NPUs help make these experiences faster and more reliable. Second, because the NPU is built for efficient AI performance, your PC uses less power. That means better battery life and less heat during everyday use. And since many AI tasks run directly on your device instead of in the cloud, more of your data stays on your PC, which can improve privacy and security. Here are a few real-world examples of how NPU-powered AI PCs help in everyday situations. If you work in healthcare, AI features can help you find information faster and speed up note-taking with smart text suggestions. If you deal with numbers or reports, AI can summarize data, highlight key insights, and reduce repetitive tasks. And if you're in retail, marketing, or content creation, an AI PC can help manage content, spot trends, and quickly find information using voice or text commands. The NPU that powers your Lenovo AI PC helps your computer feel smarter, more responsive, and easier to use in your everyday work. To learn more about Lenovo AI PCs, subscribe to Lenovo Support on YouTube or go to pcsupport.lenovo.com.